Namaste everyone, you are watching Art and Fun with me and welcome to my channel. Here I am going to share with you today Lord Shiva painting. So let's get started. Meanwhile, subscribe my channel and hit like button. If you like this tutorial, then please share with your friends and family and give your valuable comment in the comment box. I have used here canvas of 12 into 12 inch, now mark 3 inch and 1.5 inch, and we will draw two parallel lines. Watch this tutorial till the end because here I will share with you easy tips and tricks. Now I am using here a round object. This round object will help us to make in a easy way to make the face of the woman which we are going to make here. We had made a circle using this round object. Now with the help of pencil we will draw two lines both the side and join it from the bottom. Follow the process as I am doing it here. Now with the eraser we will erase all the extra lines. Now I am using here freehand to make neck. You can also use here scale. In this tutorial I have tried to share all the easy steps with you. That's why it becomes so large. So I have divided it into two parts. In first part I have shared with you how to make the face, but in second part of the tutorial I will share with you how to make in an easy way nose, eyes and lip of the woman without any mistake. So stay connected and also watch the second part. Here I have used phthalo blue color, but if you don't have phthalo blue color you can use light blue color or any Persian blue color if you have. In my tutorial I always share painting only for beginners, where I try to share all the easy and steps and tips and tricks, so you can also share with your beginners friends, those who like to learn and searching for good tutorial. I hope it will be helpful for them. And if you want to give any your valuable comment, you can comment me to improve this tutorial. Here I have used phthalo blue color, but if you don't have phthalo blue color you can use light blue color or Persian blue color. Here I have also added few drops of white. Here I am using my fluffy brush in a diving motion. You can also use flat brush. Now I have taken here potato and cut in two parts. Now I am writing here 3 to give it a omkar shape. So at first we will draw here 3 and cut it with the help of knife. You can also use cutter if you have. I don't have, that's why I am using here knife, and cut it very carefully. If you are kid then please take help of your elder. Now follow the steps as I am cutting it here. Hey dear friends, we will use this block for making Om shape design in the background of my painting. Finally when it will come out it will look very nice, and how we will use this I will show you here. Till then watch it and do it carefully. Now in another half part of the potato we will draw small 3 and cut it using the same process. After that we will get here two blocks, one is small and one is bigger one. We are going to use both the blocks here. In first block I applied some colors and pressing it well on the canvas. Look at this, how I am applying here color with the help of brush and pressing it. Now with the help of round brush 2, we will complete the omkar shape. So follow the process as I am doing it here. We will completely fill this canvas with the help of this block and print the omkar shape. Here I have added first coat of orange color, and when it has dried completely, again I am adding the second coat of orange. And before letting it to be dry, we will print here Omkar shape with using the second block which we have made. Here I have mixed orange color, lemon yellow color, and we will press it here. You can see how clearly the Omkar shape is coming here. Why I have used a block so that we can get even Om shape in the background. Here we will do the same process. Again I have used my round brush number 2 and completing the Om shape. In the same way we will do the rest printing. Hey dear friends, I hope you have liked this tutorial where I have shared with you simple tips and tricks. So if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to watch a second tutorial part 2, which I will share after sharing this tutorial. So subscribe my channel to support my tutorial. Thanks for watching.